Hi, welcome back to The New Rich, where you can live big with less. My name's Grace, and I'm an organizing expert as well as a lifestyle leader. Before we get started, I want to encourage you to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. I would be oh so grateful. Today we're going to talk about living simple and what that looks like, as well as what does it mean. To me, living simple just means that you have fewer wants, fewer needs, fewer possessions, and that is how I've lived for the past 4 years. I have lived in a fifth wheel with my 2 children, and we have been enjoying all the perks of a simple life. And we came about this new journey as adventure back in 2017 when California, Sonoma County, California, had devastating fires and thousands upon thousands of people lost their homes. Now, my home did not burn in the fire, but I was renting at the time and I lost my home indirectly. My landlord's daughter needed to move in, which then pushed us out at a very difficult time. Rents were crazy high. There weren't very many homes available. You weren't going to buy at that time. As well as places didn't allow pets. And I have my furry family member, Jax, which he's near and dear to our heart, and he goes wherever we go. So we made the leap and decided to purchase a fifth wheel just to make ends meet. After a few months of living in it and realizing the perks, we decided to keep doing it. So what has this adventure offered us? Well, I have been able to save on a regular basis and invest on a monthly basis into my retirement. I've been self-employed for over 20 years, so I don't have a pension or a 401k plan. So I've had to work very hard at building my own retirement. So savings is important, and I've been able to do that along with live a debt-free life. The financial pressures are so minimal when you live a simple life. I also, as I said, I'm an entrepreneur and I work on a project basis. So there's times that I don't have a project, I don't have work, and I don't have to stress about that anymore because I don't have the heavy weight of financial pressures, rent, mortgage, all the living expenses, you name it, all the things that people have. I don't have to deal with that. I have a car. I have an electric car. And these days with the gas prices skyrocketing, I don't have to worry about the gas prices either. I've been out of the rat race, which has made things wonderful and easy. I also don't watch TV. I stay away from the news on TV. I do get my current events online and stay up to date that way, but don't have to pay for TV. I don't have to waste my time watching it. And I also make sure that the things that I do own are low maintenance. I don't want to spend my time on weekends cleaning, polishing, taking care of. I want to go out and I want to have fun. I want to travel. That's what I do. I travel around the world. I'm working out. I'm doing yoga. I'm doing all the things that I enjoy. I have an abundant social life, which I am so grateful for. And as an organizer and somebody who's been doing this for over 20 years, seeing it professionally and personally, I see the pain that people are dealing with on a daily basis with their stuff. They are drowning in the amount of stuff that they have, and they don't know what to do with it. And I want to inspire more people to live with less, because when you do, you can have a bigger, more rewarding life full of freedom and adventure. And I'd love it again if you will subscribe to this channel, like this video, because stick around. I have so many more adventures to share with you and how you too can live big with less.